Hey guys, this is Yashish and you're watching Wanderutopia. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. In this particular video, we are going to look at how to search for keywords related to your video and take a look at the keywords your content is already ranking for. So I'm just going to show you an example of keyword ranking. I'll just search a term Tirthan Valley in July, and as you can see, one of my videos relevant to that keyword pops up on the second place. You can try that as well. Keyword ranking is one of the best organic ways to get exposure for your content and optimize it for search engines. A lot of people have asked us, how does your content rank up on a keyword when your channel is not so established? The answer is pretty simple. We use a tool for it that makes optimizing your video a piece of cake. And this tool is called VIDIQ. It is a Google Chrome extension that helps you optimize your YouTube videos in every way possible. Just search VIDIQ Chrome extension on Google and click on the second link, let it load and click on the Add to Chrome button and then on Add Extension. And you will see that it has been added to the toolbar menu. And then you just have to click on the VidIQ icon and sign up, or you can even log in with your Google account, just like this. Once you are signed in, just search anything on YouTube. I searched my channel, and as I clicked on one of my videos, you will start seeing all the stats of that video, from views to tags to SEO score, etc. And as you go down, you will be able to see the video tags you have put up and for what keywords your video is ranking. Like in this case, my video is ranking for the term Tirthan Valley in July. So if someone searches this keyword, my video will pop up on the first or second place. And this is how keyword research or keyword ranking can benefit you. Not only that, you can also click on a particular video to reveal the tags mentioned in them so that you can use them in your videos for a competitive edge. And then copy them right from here and paste it in your video tags. And you can also see how valuable a search term is, as their extension shows all the details and relevance of that particular search term. We'll soon create a video on how to optimize your content from scratch by optimizing your title, description, video tags, hashtags, etc. So stay tuned for more and subscribe Wanderutopia for amazing content. We've provided the Chrome extension affiliate link in the description down below to download it. Make sure to check it out, it's free, and maybe buy the subscription if you feel the need to. See you around in the next video. This is Yashish signing off. Keep traveling.